Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. If it is your first time stopping by, please subscribe at the button down below. This channel focuses on makeup, beauty, and Disney. So if you like any of those three things, you should subscribe to my channel. I do one video every week, sometimes two, depending on what kind of videos I have planned. So today's video is actually a video that has been requested by you guys, and it is my Disney purse collection video. Now, before I get started, I'd like to do just a quick disclaimer that I did purchase all of these with my own money. I am a Disney purse collector. I actually collect quite a few things, so I was thinking I would do kind of a series of collections. So the starting one is going to be the purse collection because this is the one that everybody wants to know about. Some of these are ones that you've seen before, so don't be subscribed if you see some repeated purses that I've recently shared on this channel, but some of them I've never shown on this channel, so there will be some surprises for you guys. But without further ado, you might want to get comfortable. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. I'm sorry for all the lengthy videos lately. I've just had a lot to share, but I will try to keep it as quick as possible. So let's get right into this video. So the first purses I'm going to share with you guys are purses from the Disney X Coach collection. These are very near and dear to my heart. I really sought after these when I saw them come out because I liked that they were a little bit more plain but very Disney inspired. So the first one I have is actually from the Outlet collection, which is now available, I believe, on shopdisney.com. It is this yellow one, and usually I don't go towards yellow purses at all because they're just kind of not my style. Like, that color is like, yellow is just usually not my color. But when I saw this purse, I completely fell in love with it. It has the two Mickey ears on the top, and it's a flap saddle bag, so it's really easy to get into. There is no like special compartment in the back. There's just the main compartment with the zipper, and then you have your front pocket here. It has the Coach tag, and the colors are yellow and brown. It's a crossbody, and it is a yellow strap with a brown flip side. And I also decorated the purse with this little Mickey keychain that I'm not really sure where I got it from, but I have it. So yeah, this purse was relatively inexpensive because the Disney Coach collection was much cheaper than the regular retail collection, and there were also a discount in the store, so when I went there I think it was an additional 50% off, so it really was pretty inexpensive. I'm not going to open it for you because I have like a ton of receipts in here, but there's just like that one big compartment with the tag and the front pocket. So there's nothing super intricate about this. I carried this with me all summer long. This was my summer purse because yellow is obviously more of a summer color. This is a darker yellow. There is a little bit of discoloration because I did wear it so much where it like rubbed on my jeans, but other than that, this is held up really, really nicely, relatively inexpensive, and it's all leather. It's very, very beautiful and very well made. My next Disney Coach purse is this one, and it is also a saddlebag, but it is bigger. I actually purchased both this one and the yellow one at the same time because I was going there with the intention of getting stuff from this collection and I didn't want to miss out. So this one I fell in love with, and I also wore this a ton this summer. I love all of the different patches on it. So you've got 5 patches on the front, this one on the side with the studs. You have a pocket in the back, and then you have this like little neck scarf decoration thing on here. It is a saddlebag. I have the strap itself tucked inside of here because I've been storing these purses in a drawer and I needed to make space. It is just a regular brown crossbody bag. The inside has black with a zipper pocket right here in the back, and then you have your front pocket here. There's something in here. Oh, it's a necklace. How nice. Don't you love when you guys find like random stuff in like different spots in your purses and things that you forgot about? Anyway, but yeah, I really love this purse. This one was slightly more expensive, but still pretty cheap comparing it to the original retail price of a lot of the Disney purses, and I think this is really cute. I love how easy it is to get in and out of, and this one's a little bit bigger, so you can definitely fit quite a bit more in this one. The last one is a purse that I got from the Disney X Coach collection when it first premiered on their website. So these ones went out so fast, and if you guys remember a while ago, I hauled 2 of these bags when I first bought them, and one was the red iconic looking Coach Mickey like it was like a crossbody bag, but it has a kiss lock at the top, and I couldn't fit anything in it. So I did end up selling that, but I did keep this one, which is the regular kind of, I don't know what this style is called. But it's a crossbody bag, which obviously I have removed the strap right now to store it, but it has 2 zipper compartments where, this is where I have my little straps here. But on this side you have a couple of card slots, and this one there's the pocket and I have all their original tags. This one had a Grumpy Mickey on it. It's pretty small, so this is good for traveling if you are trying to just pack really small. This would be good to bring around the park. Then I like how on the back you have little Grumpy Mickey's back and his little tail. This is the glove tan leather. I feel like this is more of the glove, this feels more luxurious than the other two in terms of like the leather. I think they're all supposed to be glove tan leather, but this one definitely has more of a luxurious feel. So this one was one of the first Coach Disney items that I purchased. They keep coming out with more. I just recently bought a coin purse from their newest collection for Mickey, or for Minnie's Rock the Dots Coach collection, but no bags from that one. So this purse means a lot to me and I really, really love it. So moving on to the Dooney Bourke Coach purses. I'm going to start with the ones that you guys have already seen that I've recently hauled. So this one is the, I think it's called the Mickey Loves Mini Purse. I did look it up recently. And this one is the, I can't remember the style. I wish I could remember these things. I'm gonna have a hard time remembering a lot of like the original titles, but I can just kind of describe them for you. So this one has like this is the Valentine one that they came out with, and it has Perfect Pair, Je t'aime, which means I love, XOXO, Mickey is mailing Minnie a love letter, and then Minnie is receiving it in the mail. So I think this is really, really cute. This is quite a bit bigger than I expected on the website, which is what I told you guys about in that haul, but I still really love it. I think you can do a lot with this purse, and I know that a lot of you guys loved this one too, so I hope that you guys were able to get your hands on it because they did end up restocking it, and when I linked it down below I was really happy that you guys could still get access to that one. The next one is the I Am Mickey Mouse, I think that's what it's called, and that is this style that I really love. Again, I still have the what do you call it, the strap tucked into the purse to save space. This is the cutest one. I'm so excited. I'm going to bring this one to Disney because I think this is the perfect size to store. It's not super big and bulky, and it's just the cutest purse I've ever seen in my life. I'm not going to go too in depth with this one because you guys have seen this before, but I just really wanted to say I highly recommend this. I know this is still available, so if you could get your hands on it. I know right now there's a 25% off friends and family. I don't know if that's going to still be going on when I post this video, but yeah, so if you guys can get your hands on this, I highly, highly recommend this. I think this is the cutest Disney pattern that they've come out with so far that I have like completely fallen in love with. Next, I'm going to talk about the Dooney Bourke Dogs collection one. Now this is, I don't want to give it too much like hype because this is no longer available. However, rumor has it that it's supposed to be coming back out in April after Easter, so if you want to get your hands on it, keep an eye out because they will be restocking it. I'm going to be at Disney in about 2.5 weeks, and I'm hoping that I see some there so I can let you guys know. I will probably post a picture of it on my Instagram, which I used to have a personal Instagram, but I wanted to make a new one for this channel, so I actually have one. It's the same as my username here, so it's BrownEyedBeautyZ94. So if you guys want to go follow me there, I will be posting a ton of stuff from my trip on there if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, so I got this one, and I'm hoping that this will come back in stock because I know a lot of people really, really want this, and I think it's a really, really cute pattern. The next one I have is this, and I think it's called the Ear Heart or I Heart Ear something. I think this is still available, so you guys can definitely check this out on the website. I know that this came out like around the winter time, so this is a relatively new pattern. This is super cute. As you guys can tell, I've been wearing it a lot. I have like, everything's like all curled up, and I've just been using this one a lot. I used this for most of the winter. I actually recently went to see a movie with this. So this is the bag. It has the little pocket in the back. It has a flap where it has this kind of magnetic clasp right here in the front. You open it, it has the red interior. Then you got your big pocket with your little attachment for your keys. You've got a pocket on the inside here, and then you got the zip pocket. and then you have this front pocket. So this is really cute. I highly recommend this. This I got in December, so it should still be available. I know this one wasn't sold out, but I think this is one of the cutest patterns, so if you guys want to check it out, I will have it linked down below for you guys. The next one is the, it's a Small World purse pattern. This, I completely fell in love with the colors. This color scheme like speaks to me with the blues, the greens, the mint green, the pink, the purple. This is literally like every color of my dreams. The only downside is this is really small, and this is like, it screams like Disney pattern. I know a lot of these do, but when I first got this I was kind of like, eh. But I completely have fallen in love with it. What I love about this is the inside is purple. It has so many card slots and like little pockets in here for cash. Then you've got one big pocket on the other side. I also have my authenticity card in there. And then my strap is tucked inside, as well as the little key clasp is in there as well. This is a really small size, so good for traveling. I think this is really, really cute, and I know this is no longer available, but I'm sure you could find it on a resale site if you wanted to. But yeah, so this was the It's a Small World crossbody. So this next one I haven't even used yet, and it's because it was hiding in the bottom of my purse drawer, so I'm kind of ashamed by this. So don't judge me, but this is one of the I Run marathon ones. This is the Walt Disney World Marathon Weekend 2017. This is the letter carrier bag. This is super, super cute. It reminded me so much of the original sketch, which is why I picked it up, because that is my favorite Disney purse of all time. I'm going to show you guys that one in a second. But this is super, super adorable. I love everything about it. I love how it's mostly white, but it has like touches of neon. You've got your Tower of Terror, your Animal Kingdom, Epcot, the castle, Minnie's running, then you've got Pluto, and you've got Dopey, and it's just the cutest purse, and I'm so disappointed in myself that I haven't worn it yet, but I am going to be bringing this one to Disney with me in a few weeks because I'm so excited to use this, and I think this is so, so cute. I know it is no longer available, but they came out with running marathon ones all the time, so just keep your eye out. So the last purse I have to show you, and then I have one more that I have to show you, but it's a tote bag. It is the original Mickey and Minnie sketch purse. This is the cutest Dooney Bourke purse ever. This has the original labeling with this little attachment. They do still sell this, and I really recommend you getting it. If this is your first Disney bag purchase, I think this is the one to go for. It is the cutest. It is like the perfect size. It is super girly. I absolutely adore this. I have worn this so, so much. The inside is red, and it has a zipper pocket. A phone pocket is on this side with another pocket, and then you have a crossbody strap that is tan and blue, just like the zipper and the handles. I just think this is the cutest bag, and I literally live for this. I will never get rid of this bag. I think it is the cutest, most special purse ever, because this came when I first purchased this. It was my first trip back to Disney when I was 21, and since I was 7. So this I really think is a very special bag, and I think if you're going to go to Disney, this is the one to get. This is the Beauty and the Beast tote bag. This is the last bag I wanted to show you. This came out when the movie came out. This bag is huge. I use it for traveling or for like overnights, things where I'm just, quickly going for a couple day trip here. It is so, so, so cute. I love the pattern. I did haul this, so if you guys want to see that video, it is on my channel. I did haul this and unbox this bag. This means a lot to me, as you guys know, or if you don't because you're new to my channel, Beauty and the Beast is my favorite story from Disney, so this means a lot to me, and I really, really cherish this purse. It is just so, so beautiful. It's so well made, and it fits a ton of stuff. This would be such a cute work tote bag if you're willing to step out of your comfort zone and really, show off your Disney love. But yeah, this is just one of my absolute favorites, and I love it very, very dearly. So that is my haul. I know that there are a lot of purses here, as I said before, but I do collect them. I spend all of my own money. I save up every time I go to Disney to treat myself to one of these Disney purses. And this time I probably won't be getting anything because I did recently purchase a few, so I am going to be taking a break from that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what your favorite purse was out of my collection. I really, really love my Disney purse collection. The next Disney collection I'm going to be sharing with you is going to be coming up in a couple of weeks, so keep your guys' eyes peeled for that, and I will love to share more with you. So please please, please request down below what kind of videos you want to see. I have so many things planned, and since I am going to Disney in a couple of weeks, I have a ton of stuff that I want to share with you, like what I pack to bring into the Disney parks, or what makeup do I wear when I go to Disney, so things like that. So let me know what you want to see, and I cannot wait to show you guys and film some more for you. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you all so, so much, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.